Welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on how to fix your one-sided audio on CapCut. If you're having trouble with fixing your one-sided audio on CapCut, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So we're going to try a few methods, starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from the notification bar or control center and then turn it back off. Now try logging in into CapCut once again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's see if there is an update available for CapCut on your Play Store or App Store. Then search for CapCut and see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open your settings and then search app, then scroll down until you see CapCut, then scroll down and click on the option of storage. And now in the bottom right you see the option of clear cache. Then hit the option of clear cache. This clears out old data that might be causing the issue. Now if you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. Now if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app CapCut from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems. And there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your CapCut account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like these, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.